Hello everyone, glad to have you here. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps to permanently delete your Twitch account directly from the Android app. If you've decided to move on from Twitch, this video will help you do it the right way, securely, quickly, and permanently. First, open the Twitch app on your Android phone. Make sure you're signed in and then go to the Profile section. Next, scroll down and tap on Account Settings. Next, tap on Account to view account management options. Scroll down and tap Permanently Delete Account. Tap the Delete Account button that appears. Enter your Twitch account password when prompted. Finally, tap Next in the top right corner to confirm the deletion. Once completed, your account will be scheduled for permanent removal. And that's it. Your Twitch account is now permanently deleted. If this video helped you, feel free to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.